Hi, I'm Angela Kina. I'm an artist. I live and work in New York City, and today we're in Soho.
My name is John Westbay. I'm an artist from Brooklyn, New York. Today we are at 139 Wooster Street in Soho. Well, in a space like this, it's easy to make the artwork look good. That's why I was excited, to do this and to see it in the right space, the natural lighting, this view, and the ceiling height. That the cherry blossom piece in there over the yellow couch looks phenomenal. I took a picture as soon as I walked in, and yeah, it's right to see it in the right space. It's so important because the same piece in the wrong place, or when it's sitting in the studio, it just doesn't hit the same.
I make large-scale oil paintings that flow between representational and abstract. I'm influenced by art that I see around me, art history, things that I'm looking at. New York City is a great place to live because there's so much creative energy here, fashion, and I really like to look back at our history and sort of remake ideas or revisit like timeless themes that have been done over and over again and reinterpret them through my lens.
So the art I make is influenced by a lot, pop art, street art, started as street art. So a lot of heavy graphics, colors, I let the paint drip, but I take inspiration from everything. Tattoo artists, photography, I study old oil painting. I try to learn from everyone and incorporate it all into my own style that's fun and positive and bright and hopefully inspires someone else.
So Soho holds a special place in my heart because this is where I started my art career, literally down the street. I lived on Sullivan Street, and it wasn't until I got to New York and was like inspired by everything around me that I felt like brought out the artist in me. And I think it's really important for artists to be surrounded by creative people, and for me, that all started right here in Soho.
I mean, this has been the epicenter of the art world forever, and I think that is a big part of what still to this day, makes New York City so cool and so special, and why so many people come here to visit. The artists that were here, Basquiat and Keith Haring and Kenny Scharf and Andy Warhol, obviously, and something that's very important to me is to kind of carry that baton and to keep that going. The city goes through ups and downs, and it's amazing. It's alive right now, and I just try to do my part, keep it alive, keep the art alive, and keep that buzz, and it's amazing.